Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to show you how to automate another test case under the logout functionality. In the previous session, I have automated the first test case and also we have modified the framework that is implemented in the current project a bit. So in this session, we are going to continue the saga, okay? And we are going to see what goes, okay? What will reveal us in the while automating this live project, okay? You see, I cannot say anything here. Like, this is a perfect time for me to, implement some framework concept. I cannot say sometime because while I'm automating some tests, automatically it will happen, guys. Okay, the project will evolve over a period of time. So let's see what will unfold. Okay, what will unfold while I'm automating the further test cases of this e-commerce application. There are around 500 plus test cases so far. Whatever automated is like test all the tests under the register account functionality and all the tests under the login functionality I completed. Now I am going to continue with the logout functionality. So let's begin this session with the second test case of the logout functionality. So here is the project, guys, and here I will open the. So what is this, guys? Logout, right? I'll open the logout.java. In the previous session, I already have automated this first test case. Now I'm going to automate the second one, that is public void. What is the test case all about? Let's understand it first. Verify logging out by selecting logout option from the right column options. Okay. Verify logging out by selecting logout option. Okay. Instead of logging out by using the my account drop menu option and logout option from there, you need to this time you need to select the logout option from the right column options. Okay, mostly it will be same, guys, and the expected results also may be same, so it doesn't take much time. Okay, open the application URL. User is logged in. Okay, and then I need to click on the logout option from the right column option when I am on the from the account page. Okay, once the user is logged in, user will be on the account page, and on the account page, right column option logout I'm going to select, and I need to click on the continue button. Okay, user should be taken to the account logout page. The same expected result from the previous test case are there here. You should be taken to the account page when I log in here, and user should see login option in place of the logout. Okay, and user should see login option. Okay, user should see login option in place of logout. Okay, when I click on the what is this actually? Second test, click on logout option from the right column, verify ER1. Okay. Okay, after I log out, I should see the login option, okay, in place of the logout under the my account drop menu. Again, when I click on the continue button on the resultant page, okay, account logout page or whatever the page, okay, user should be taken to the home page, okay, user should be taken to the home page. The same expected results here, but we are logging out by using the account, in the account page, right column logout option we are going to use here instead, okay. So let's do that, verify logging out using logout right column option. Okay, logout right column option. And here I'll write down at the rate test annotation, at the rate test annotation, guys, at the rate test annotation I'll give here. And here I'll say landing page dot click on my account. Okay. So here already in the before method, we got the object reference of the landing page. In the from the landing page, once application is opened here like this. Okay. Once the application is opened like this, I need to click on the landing page. I need to click on my account. After I click on the my account, I need to select the login option here. Okay. Then I have to say landing page dot select login option, select login option here. Login page should be resulted. This select login option will return you the object reference of the login page. Once you get the object reference of the login page, that means once you select the login option, you are taken to the login page. In the login page, I need to enter the email address and the password. I need to enter the email address and password. So login page dot enter email, I will say enter email. And here I'll say prop dot get property. And here I need to give the existing email, the same existing email from the properties file I'll give. Okay. So I just need to log in, right? The steps will be same. Enter password. I have to give the prop.get property valid password. I need to give the same password I need to give. Okay. Which the steps are common here. You see this particular, all these steps are common. Okay. Even login page dot click on login button is also common. Okay. Here the same steps are getting repeated, guys. Okay. Till here the same steps. And once I do that, it will return you the object reference of the account page. On the account page, guys, once I get the object reference of the account page here, what is the next thing that is I want to do? Once I give valid credentials here and click on the login button, and once I am on the account page, I need to select this logout right column option here. Okay, instead of selecting the logout option from here, this time, the second test case, I need to select the logout option from the right column option. Where is this right column options available? In separate, okay, the page classes I created like this. Did I create separately or so? Let's right column options. Okay. I need to create an object for the right column options. Before doing that, I'll simply say account page dot get driver. Okay. I'll get the driver here. Okay. And just get the driver and use the driver for create while creating the object for the right column options. Okay. Right column options is equal to new right column options and pass the driver here. Okay. Put a semicolon here and import this right column options from that pack pages pack. And after that, use this right column option and say dot click on right side. Uh, do we have any logout option here in the right column options here? You see transaction, reward points, recurring order history. Logout option is not there so far. We need to create it now. Okay. In the right column options, here create a web element, that is private web element logout option. Okay. And here I'll write down at the rate find by xpath is equal to give the xpath expression of that logout option. Here some options are there. Inspect this. And also you can make this part of the account page also if required. Okay. Yeah, it's okay. Anything is fine. So this looks like class control F double forward slash A at the rate class is equal to give that class and say text function is equal to logout you mention. Okay. Logout like this you write down. This will locate the logout option. Copy this XPath expression and simply write down here. Okay. And create a method here that is public void, click on right column, right side, logout option. Okay. Click on right column, right side, click on the right side logout option and here write down logout option dot click, logout option dot click. When you select this logout option, you will be taken to which page? When I click on the logout option, you are taken to the account logout page. Already we created a class for this account logout page here. We will simply return here, new, return new, return new account logout page and pass the driver here and simply put account logout page here and paste it. Okay. Now save this, go here and say right column options dot click on right side logout option. Okay, put a semicolon here and this should return you the object reference of the account logout page now. Account logout page is equal to, like this you write down. Okay, account logout page is equal to new account, all the stuff. Okay, then here we got the account logout page. Once I get to the account logout page, okay, here I need to verify, guys. Here, first thing is that we did once you click on the logout and from the right column option, verify the expert. User should be taken to the account logout page. That's one thing we have to verify. And user should see the logout option, login option in place of the logout option. That is another one. Okay. So here I'll write down assert true. I can do this, but ultimately I need to verify something, guys. Okay. I need to verify that here, once I click on the logout option here in the my account, I should not see the log. I should see the login. That means logout will not be there. Login should be there. To do that, This particular login is belonging to the landing page. Sorry, header options. Okay, I'll simply write down account logout page. I'm on the account logout page dot get driver, and here I'll get the driver here back. Driver is equal to I'll write, and here I'll write down header option, header options is equal to new header options page class and pass the driver whatever I got retrieved here, and then using this header options I'll write down asset dot, okay, sorry, header options dot click on my account drop menu, and after that I need to see whether logout option is displayed or not, login option is displayed or not. Asset dot asset true, and here I'll write header options dot is login option available. Okay, if it is available, the test is passed. One part of the test is passed here. Once you select the logout, you should get login option visible under the my account. That is one thing that you have to do. But the next thing, are you on the account logout page? We need to verify. For that, I need to create an object for the account logout page. Okay, I'll be creating the object for the account logout page. Okay, so for that also you can do one thing. That is, here you can say driver is equal to header options dot get driver. Okay, and once you get the driver here, because you are on the header option, so you have to get the driver and pass it to the account logout page. And after that is there, you simply write down assert dot assert true account logout page dot did we navigate to the account logout page or not? We are going to verify. This will the first expected result is done, guys. Okay. You should be taken to the account logout page and you should see login option in place of the logout. You can also do one thing, guys. Okay, that is instead of writing like this, you can do one thing. A lot of steps are coming here. We can optimize the steps here also. The previous test case also we can do. That is here why to create the header options again and again. Okay. Once you're already on the account logout page, here already we can verify whether we are navigating to the account logout page or not. Okay, already it's there here, guys. Okay, so we didn't do this here. Here itself, click on the right column options, and here I will verify this one. So yeah, once that is done, okay, I'll get the driver and I'll verify that is login option available. Okay, and I don't have to do this verification at this point of time. But what is the next thing? I need to click on the continue button for that. The steps are unavoidable. We cannot escape from there. Okay, that's okay. And here on the account logout page dot click on continue button. There is a continue button on the account that we need to click here. You see, click on the continue button. Okay, on the account logout page. Once you click on the continue button, should be taken to the landing page. Okay, should be taken to the landing page. That's what we need to verify. Over the mouse on this and see whether landing page. Okay, you are getting the object reference of the landing page, and we do have to write an assertion saying assert dot assert equals how to verify that you are on the landing page. To verify that you are on the landing page, prop dot get property. You have to verify the URL of the page, guys. Okay, already in the properties file. Already in the properties file, we have provided the URL of the landing page URL. Just provide that here. Okay. And the next thing is that asset equals. Okay. This is one thing. The next thing here is here we need to write down. You need to call the method in the base and simply write down get page URL. Okay. Just call this method. That's it. And since logout is a child class of the base class, we can directly call it without creating an object, etc. Because as part of inheritance, we can call this method directly, and that's it, guys. Okay, this is fine. Okay, so here if you don't want to get the driver again and all those stuff, uh, okay, so landing page is equal to here we can do one thing, guys. That is there is a method. Okay, click on continue button. After that, instead of passing the driver like this, you can get the latest driver, that is landing page dot get driver. This will get the driver from the landing page. Okay, instead of passing it from somewhere else here, this driver, instead of passing that driver here, we can get the driver from this landing page using this get driver method that we already have created. And that's it, guys. This should be working fine. We should run the test and the test need to working fine. We have successfully automated the second test case. Okay, if this works fine, the script is running in the Firefox browser. Let's see what will happen here. Is it working fine or not? Yes, it is working fine and the test got passed here. Okay. Now let me observe all these two tests that I have created so far in the logout.java and see if I can reduce some lines of code here. Okay. Is there a possibility of reducing some lines of code? I'm just thinking. So guys, how to reduce the lines of the code? You see, I need to navigate to the login page. To navigate to the login page, these two statements are required, right? Landing page dot click on my account and landing page dot select login option are required for navigating to the login page. So what I will do is instead of calling these two methods, because this is not the login related test, right? This is logout, okay? Why to write this many steps in the another test case like logout.java? Simply I can say that navigate to login page. That is very easy, right? Instead of these two lines, can I say that navigate to the and simply navigate to the login page is easy, right? Okay, navigate to the login page is easy. Okay, so what I will do here is to overcome this problem, I'll go to the landing page. Okay, landing page class. Where is the landing page class? Landing page class. Some modifications we are doing at the framework level. We have separate methods like select login, click on my account, select register option, like that we have. To navigate to the login page, I need to call to these two methods. Okay, so what I will do here is simply I'll write down public void navigate to login page. Okay, I'll just create one more method based on my requirement. I make separately call this method, or I can call this method which invokes these two methods. Okay, now to navigate to the login page, first I need to call this method, that is click on my account. Click on my account is one thing. Okay, this click on my account so that it will click on the my account drop menu. And second thing is that I need to call this select login option. Okay, select login option, and here the select login option will return you the login page. Okay, so it will, I'll simply say return here. Okay, I don't have to say anything. I just have to say return, and the return type should be login page here. That's it. The return type of this method will be returned by this method itself. Okay. Now by doing this, what is the advantage I'm going to get? I don't have to write this two method statements every time. Simply I can call this method, right? Navigate to login page, and you will get the object reference of the login page. I don't have to write this line anymore. Simply I'll say login page dot navigate to login page. That's it. You see, two lines got reduced with the one line. Okay, the same thing I can do this here also. Instead of writing these two lines, I can say landing page dot navigate to login page and get the object reference of the login page. Is the same technique can be used for reducing the other lines of the code here? Yes, guys. To log into the account with credentials. Okay, log into the application. Okay, to log into the application, these three lines are required. Okay, three lines are required, like entering the email address, then entering the email address, entering the password, and clicking on the login button. Three lines are required for logging into the application, and this should be done in the login page. You see, login page are there. So I'll take the login page here. Go to the login page here and create a method which calls multiple methods here, which does multiple actions here. Public void, public void, log into application, log into application. Simply I'll say log into application. Okay, log into application, and I need to call the methods, guys. What are the methods I need to call? In the login page, I need to enter email. Okay, enter email. I need to call. Copy this email field dot send case of email text. Okay, just paste it here. This is one thing I need to call, and here, uh, so here email. Okay, string email text is there. Huh? Okay, I got it. So here I'll just cut this part and paste it here and put this email text here. Okay, that's it. Done. After that, what I have to do? I have to enter the password. What is the password here? And for enter, okay, did I cut it or so? Just give me a second. I'll write this method here. Go here and see. Enter email. Enter password. Click on which button there? I need to go to the login page. Login button. Okay. Enter login button. So for now, these two methods I need to call, guys. Two methods. Okay. Enter email is one method I will call. 133rd line. I'll come to that line again. Just paste it here and make this as a parameter here. Put it here. Copy this and paste it here. Put a semicolon. Again, go to the 133rd line, near to the 133rd line, and see. Enter password method I need to call. Copy this. Enter password. Go back to the top of the file, and here write down. Take this and make this as a parameter here. Okay. And here password text you pass it here, and then I need to click on the login button. In order to click on the login button, there may be some method here, guys. Click on login button also. Click on register option. Click on login button. Okay, click on login button, method is there. Okay, copy this method and it's returning the object reference of the account page here. Anyhow, just go to the top here and provide it here and put a semicolon here. The return type of this is account page. I'm going to say return. Okay, return, and the return type should be account page. Return type should be account page. You see, if you instead of calling this three methods separately, if I simply call this login to application, this three will be automatically called. Okay, maybe these separate methods may be required in the login related test cases, but here coming to the logout related functionality, I don't have to descriptively write all the methods. I don't have to do that. Simply if I call this login to the application, all these things will be done, and also I'll get the object reference of the account page, and also the number of lines also will get reduced here. Instead of the three lines, I can simply complete this in one line. These are not required anymore. So what I will do here is here login page dot login to the application, and here I need to pass the email. Copy this and pass the email here. Okay, and here I need to pass a password. Copy this and pass the password here, and at the end put a semicolon symbol. That's it, guys. You don't need these things. Okay, you see, this is this kind of things we can optimize. Okay, and go here and here also do the same thing, guys. Instead of writing all this stuff, remove these two lines and simply write down account page is equal to login page dot click on login button. You see how simple the scripts are getting become scripts are coming now, right? Okay. Okay, is there any other things that I can reduce here? Mm, okay, okay. So these are some steps related to the logout functionality. I don't want to reduce them. Okay, I don't want to reduce them. Okay, I don't have to reduce any other stuff. This much is enough for me. Okay, I'm very much satisfied with whatever the optimization I've done. I will not unnecessarily do a lot of optimization. I'll do optimization based on the requirement. Okay. In some other test cases, why should I focus more on the landing page and logout page? Okay. So landing page and login page. Okay. It should be the test should be focusing more on the logout related stuff. Okay. But here, if I keep writing more steps about the landing page and login page, right, that doesn't look good. So I have reduced a good number of lines into just two lines. Okay, good number of lines into just two lines I converted. So that has actually given me a satisfaction that I have done it pretty well this time. Okay, so let's move on, save this. Okay, and see whether these two tests are running fine or not. Okay, to see whether this particular two tests are running fine or not, I'll also give the priority, guys. Okay, priority is equal to 1. This test should run first when I run the test. Priority is equal to this should run second. Okay, as per the order. Right click here and say run as test ng test to see whether the two tests are running and they are getting passed or not. After doing this modification, I want to check the two tests need to run fine here. Okay, let's see. First test is running. Okay, done. Second test will run now. Second test should also work fine here. Let's see whether it works fine or not. Something got failed. Okay, unable to locate text logout. It is saying, okay, what is the problem here? We need to identify. So maybe the second test we have a problem, guys. Let me run. Let me do one thing. Let me say thread dot sleep and just give some time to see what exactly is going wrong here. I'll just do it temporarily. I'll remove this. Okay, just run the script to see what exactly is happening here. So it's opening the. It will open the browser. Navigate to the application. Open the application URL. Click on login option. No match for email address and or password it is saying. Okay, maybe. Okay, got it. Let's see what is the problem here. Did I write anything wrong in these statements? Navigate to the login page. Click on login button. Maybe in the click on login button, we are not getting logged in, guys, and not taken to the account page because of which the problem came. Click on login button. Login button. Okay, so what I'm writing here actually. Okay, I should be writing login to the application, guys. Okay, so there's some mistake here. Okay, here I need to write login page dot login to the application. Okay, that's the correct thing. Maybe I have missed something there. Okay, that's fine. So now let's run the both the tests. It should work fine now. Okay, right click run as test ng test. Both the tests should work fine here. I was not calling the proper method here. Okay, I was not calling the proper method here. First test completed. We are doing the second one. We are working on the second one. Second test is also working fine. Both the tests should pass, guys. Okay. Yeah, both the tests got passed. Now I'll go to the logout.java and remove this thread dot sleep which I have used for identifying what exactly is going wrong there. I'll remove this part also. It's not required. Save all. Okay. These two tests are working fine now, guys. We have successfully automated second test and we have optimized the code in this particular session also. So, guys, that's all for this session. In the next session, we'll continue with the test case and if required, we'll automate more test case also as part of the upcoming sessions. Okay. For now, we have automated till second test case of the logout functionality. The automating of the other test case of this functionality, logout functionality of this application will be continued in the upcoming sessions. Till then, see you. Bye bye.